In today's video, we are going to delve into why Bitcoin is absolutely more different than it has ever been in any other cycle. Now, I'm speaking from experience because I have been here for one cycle and I'm in my second cycle currently. Yes, I haven't been here for all 3-4 cycles, okay? But I am here and I've been here for about 5 years. And I have knowledge that I want to impart to you as my beautiful Crypto Bliss community. So welcome back to the Crypto Bliss channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss community. Thank you for being here with me today on this incredible day. And today we are going to be delving into the top secrets as to why Bitcoin right now is completely different to other cycles. And maybe altcoin bags will have a short moment to live right now. Yes, there's a whole bunch of news. There's a whole bunch of stuff that is happening out there in this space. But truth be said, Bitcoin is still the number one. So let's delve right in to the video, the content today, and let's take a look at what exactly I'm talking about. Of my viewers on this channel are subscribed. The other 80.4% are not subscribed. I would appreciate the love that I give you guys all the time to please go ahead. And if you are part of that 80% that aren't subscribed to the channel, please go right ahead and subscribe to the Crypto Bliss community. I truly would appreciate that. And let's delve right in. First things first, I have to start off with Plan B. His dream scenario of monthly closes towards S2F target of 500K average in 24 to 28 is, of course, not 100% correct, although markets decided against a playful December to Feb pump and dump. Feb 150K is still in play. Now, this was from the 1st of February. I don't think 150K is still in the cards for February because we are 4 days left in February. And I don't know what's going to make Bitcoin pump 50% in 4 days, but it's not impossible, right? And that's why I heed you and I say to you, this is just a scenario, okay? We've gone through everything. We're now in February. Power Law Crew sells BTC at 150K. March, Bitcoin legal tender in Bhutan, Argentina, and Dubai. Bitcoin hits 300K. April, Trump, US start building strategic BTC reserve. Now, remember, Trump said that he would do it within 100 days of him taking his position as president. I do believe that we are coming close to the kind of 50-day mark. I believe we got another 50 days, possibly 40 days to experience that particular activity. Of May, other countries except EU join rat race. Bitcoin hits 500. Well, EU we've seen is joining the rat race already. We're having approvals left, right, and center. Even BlackRock is now listing a European Bitcoin ETF. Mad huge, my friends. So that's happening a lot sooner than what we think, but it could only be approved in May. Who knows? June, several AI start using Bitcoin to autonomously arbitrage trade via BTC to 600K. July to December, face melting FOMO BTC all-time high of 1 million. 2026 distribution phase back to 500,000. 27 bear market bottom to 0.2 million. 200K. I don't know. What do you guys think about this Plan B scenario down in the comments below? I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Now, this is a very interesting fact because overall cryptocurrency market capitalization per week from July 2010 to January 2025, which was last month, we literally have only gone up, my friends. This is market capitalization. We have only gone up, only up. And this is why you are not realizing that, yes, if you buy up here and you sell down here, of course you're going to be in a loss, dummy, okay? But if you buy here and 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 you buy here, you're probably in a profit already, okay? Because Bitcoin spent 99.9% of its days in profit. Okay, very mad statistic. Now, this is what is fueling and generating the exact moment we need to be cautious and aware of. So this is the world M2 growth of the Fed, the ECB, the Public Bank of Canada, and the Bank of Japan, year on year. Here is the scenario. 2012, look at what happened, okay? Look at this massive bear market, tapering in M2 growth, declined, and therefore we saw the market decline into its bear market. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here, okay? In fact, here, M2 money supply went into the deep negative. Where are we now? We're only at a very chilled point. I honestly believe we're going to get some of the biggest M2 supply from all of our banking institutions and federal private institutions across the world. Money printing is about to start, my friends, and the biggest money printing ever in history is about to begin. This is why I heed you for selling your Bitcoin and your crypto at this point. But I do have a point for you on crypto right at the very end of the video. Make sure to stay tuned so that you get to see exactly what that is, because you're not going to want to miss out on that. Now, here is another chart for Bitcoin M2 and growth of global year on year. You can see here that we're slowly increasing at this current point. Now, the BTC price is the black line, M2 year on year percentage is the green, and M2 global supply in US dollars, okay? As you can see, when the market is pulling out, there's a bear market. When they're pumping money into and liquidity, there is bull market, bull market, bull market. The bull market hasn't even begun yet. Now, we're currently sitting at about 105 odd trillion dollars that have been printed into existence. Holy schmack and doodle moly. That's crazy, you say? Yes, it is. Now, here are a couple facts. 2025 cryptocurrency adoption and consumer sentiment report. Here's the key findings. Cryptocurrency ownership has nearly doubled in 3 years since the end of 21. In 25, approximately 28% of American adults, or about 65 million people, own cryptocurrencies. That's pretty darn huge, my friend. Now, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. And in fact, there isn't even 21 million Bitcoin. I will show you that in a short moment. There's much less available than 21 million. And BlackRock and MicroStrategy and other companies, including myself, are scooping Bitcoin up. Why the heck do you not have any yet, my friend? 14% of people without crypto plan to buy it in 25, and 67% of current owners plan to buy even more this year. I'm one of those. Among those who plan to buy crypto in 25, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are among the top 3 desired cryptocurrencies. 60% of adults familiar with crypto believe that the value of cryptocurrencies will increase during Donald Trump's second presidential term. And 46% believe that Trump will boost mainstream cryptocurrency adoption in the US and in essentially across the world, because the US is ideally the black sheep, okay? And the rest of the world just follow what the US does. Mostly. Not for everything, but mostly. Though public enthusiasm for crypto has grown in recent years, 40% of people who own cryptocurrency still aren't confident that the technology is safe and secure. Nearly 1 in 5 cryptocurrency owners have had difficulty accessing or withdrawing their funds from custodial platforms. If you don't know what you're doing in crypto, don't buy crypto. Don't buy the complicated cryptos. Don't chase the money. Buy Bitcoin. Okay. Use my Bybit link down below. Use my Bybit link down below. Get yourself some Bitcoin. Okay. You can see we're double bottoming, triple bottoming out here, my friends. We are going to go long very, very soon. When we break this, you can see that this has been now a supportive trend line right at that very critical moment and point over there. Look at how the market and the charts just don't lie. Okay, this is a falling wedge pattern and is extremely bullish. So we should see Bitcoin back up at 100K in the next few days. And that's where I believe we'll close February is at around 100K. Use my Bybit link down below. Get yourself up to $30,000 deposit bonus. And let's move on. In November, year over year, growth in the money supply was at 2.35%. That's a 27-month high and the largest year over year increase since September 22. November's growth rate was up from October's growth rate of 1.45. It's a large reversal from November 2023's year-over-year decline of 8.5%. That was where we experienced trauma in the bear market. In the bear market. Okay. This here is 2021. Okay. And then 2023. Okay. This is 23. Okay. So we just come out of that bear market. Now, the interesting thing here is that the Crypto Wealth Report, which I actually really like this a lot. Okay. In fact, so cryptocurrency ownership rates 21 to 25. Crypto ownership rates in the US, 22 was the biggest year so far. 25 has just begun. So I'm sure that this is going to substantially grow. Okay. Cryptocurrency purchasing plans among non-owners would consider purchasing in the future. Look how high those numbers are. Definitely within the next 12 months. Those are gobbling those numbers up here. Okay. Some say they will never purchase. Those people will not be part of the future of this world, is all I can say. They will struggle because the world demands that we use Bitcoin, okay, as a safe haven against all other assets. Most popular cryptocurrencies in 25, of course, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the dominant. Then it's Ethereum. Then we have some Dogecoin, Solana, USD, Shiba, Stellar, Cardano, Ripple, Binance, Tether, Avalanche. Those are the top coins, guys. That just is what it is. Those are the top coins. Which cryptocurrencies are people planning to buy this year? Bitcoin, Ethereum. And now this is a clue to you, which possibly could be the way forward for you to make some money. Okay. But I have something so critical, so make sure to stay with me. Okay. Right to the very end. Bitcoin, 66% of people will buy Bitcoin. 43% of people will buy Ethereum. 24% Doge. Doge is even better than Solana. And we all know that Solana has been doing amazing. Okay. Even more than Ripple, even more than the stable coins, okay? Look at all of these coins, all the way down here. Tron, Decentraland, Curve, and something else. My friends, that speaks volumes for where we're at right now. So crypto performance expectations in 2025. First of all, Bitcoin underwent its 4-year supply halving on April 20th, 24. Number one reason. The SEC approved a Bitcoin ETF on January 11 and Ether ETF in July 24. The U.S. District Court SDNY cut the SEC's Ripple Labs fine from $2 billion to $150 million on 8th August. Grayscale launched an XRP trust on September 12. Pro-crypto U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump won re-election on November 5th. Pro-crypto Republicans who lean toward deregulation won many key elections and will retake control of both both houses in Congress in 25. Massive. How do you expect the overall market to perform? Almost everybody believes it's going to go up. Okay. Very few percentage here believes it's going to go down. Massive, massive, my friends. How many people are in net gain up here in 2025? 69% of people. Okay. That's a signal that could tell us, cool, we could have some sort of sell-off, but we do. The market fluctuates. It's volatile. That just is what it is. Okay. In what year did current owners first purchase cryptocurrency? 2020. I bought cryptocurrency in 2020 as well. Okay. That was my first time ever. That, in fact, it was end of 2019 going into 2020. It was December 2019. Okay. I remember it very, very clearly and precisely. So I was here at this point. Look how little action we've had here. Of course, there was the bear market, right? Most of it, not all of it. Will crypto change under the Trump administration? Most people believe it. Okay. How confident are you in the safety and security of cryptocurrency? Very confident is all the blue. Somewhat confident is the green. Somewhat confident, somewhat unconfident, somewhat confident is the purple. And very confident is the blue. So that's a 50-50 at this point. And if you don't want that risk, buy Bitcoin. That's all. Very simple, my friends. Okay. So for us right now, you can see here that this is the crypto adoption index. Singapore, and this is by country. Singapore has the most adoption busy happening. Then Switzerland, then the UAE, then Hong Kong. And the US is still far behind, even though they have 65 million people buying crypto or owning crypto. Okay. I think you get what it is that I'm starting to say. Penny's starting to drop there, right? Australia, UK, Canada, Malta, Malaysia, Thailand, Netherlands, Italy, Antigua and Barbuda, Austria, New Zealand, Monaco. I mean, one of the richest places on the earth. Portugal, Cyprus, Mauritius, Luxembourg, I mean, South Africa is not even on here. Even Namibia is on here. Shout out to Before Crypto from Namibia. Guys, South Africa is not even on this list. And I know a number of South Africans that own crypto because I help them get into crypto. Okay. And they want a piece of the pie. So for now, I would say to you that this is what's going on with the Google trends. They have collapsed since we kind of hit the 100K level. That's why we've been stalling a little bit, because the searches aren't high. But my friends, when we're at the bottom here, this thing only goes up. Bottom, up, bottom, up, bottom, up, bottom, up, bottom, up. We're at the bottom. Google Trend Search is about to explode. And if you are not part of this journey, you're going to miss out, because money supply growth accelerates and hits a 27-month high. It's exactly what I've said. I don't know if we're going to hit something like this. This was COVID, okay? But I do believe that we're going to get pretty much back up to this 20 level, okay? Massive changes out there in the market. And you can see here, based on the MOM percentage, month-on-month percentage change in the Rothbard Soleno money supply metric, it's increasing. It's increasing. It will increase. And this is why you can see that the total circulating Bitcoin, okay, which is the blue line, has increased over time. Most of the Bitcoin is already in circulation. Most of it, not all of it, most of it. And that's why, my friends, the Bitcoin price has gone through the fucking roof. Mad. Okay. Now here's something critical that you need to know. Total new BTC tokens on the first year, 0. November 2012, 10.5 million. If you bought, I don't know, a couple hundred of those, you'd be fucking billionaire right now. Okay. July 2016. Okay. Look at how the halvings are dropping. Okay. This is drastic. In the next halving, there will only be 656,000 coins that will ever be released in the market. And I don't know anybody that's going to be selling those. Selling Bitcoin, rather accumulating. I mean, BlackRock has already accumulated nearly 500,000 Bitcoin alone. That's the total supply available at the 2028 halving point. Mad juicy, my friends. Now, the distribution, I have showed you this chart before. 57% is owned by individuals like yourself and myself, 2.7% by government, 3.4% by miners, 3.6% by corporations, 3.9% by ETFs, Satoshi Wallet 5.2%, yet to be mined is 6.6%, lost BTC is 17.6%. That's a lot of Bitcoin that is lost, okay? That gobbles pretty much these up here, okay? I don't think you get what it is that I'm saying, because there's very, very limited supply left and available. And that is exactly why Bitcoin continues to go up, because the supply is all there. It's there in the market. Most of it is there. Now, one thing I do want to caution you, this time could be very different. The decoupling of Bitcoin and crypto market caps could be unfolding. Bitcoin is pumping, but altcoins will come through eventually. Other cryptocurrencies will eventually come through and perhaps pump right through the level of the $2 trillion where we're at currently. Now, the last thing I want to show you is that ETH below 0.03%, BTC as in 2016, XRP below there is the same as in 2013. The lesson that Bitcoin is the signal, shitcoins are noise, okay? Ethereum is basically dead against Bitcoin, but that means we could have huge volleys and rallies with Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other altcoins against Bitcoin. If you have enjoyed this video, then please make sure you are subscribed to the Crypto Bliss community, and I truly appreciate you very much. And if you are part of that 84.4% that are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, please. That would be truly appreciated. Sending you so much love, beautiful energy, and light. And please make sure to watch the second part of the star map for Bitcoin. You have no idea what you're missing out if you're not watching that video. This is incredible stuff from Stargazer. Thanks for being here with me once again. I truly appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.